deceased, they had to wait until they become
Right, Belly, stay on with
alright.
us. After enduring continuous abuse, Atul's wife filed legal cases against him, is what is known at this point in time. Following her lawyer's advice, the family left Bengaluru due to the ongoing mistreatment, and the wife, along with her mother-in-law, moved to Jaunpur. 8 months later, she filed for divorce, seeking to end the troubled marriage. And Belly, this is obviously one facet of this entire mess that existed between these two, and the other side is that Atul was summoned to Jaunpur at least 120 times to appear in this court case. It seems that regardless of what happened before things fell apart, after this falling out, there was a continuous and a deliberate attempt to torture him mentally.
Absolutely, Vineet. Atul's wife and along with her mother and son had gone to Jaunpur after they were, after the second wave of COVID that struck in 2022, and soon after going there, 8 months later, she filed for a divorce petition. A notice that came to Atul stating that he had to grant her a divorce, to which he got further enraged and turned even more abusive over phone conversations that were happening between them to check the well-being of their child, is what she had told the police. And she 8 months later, after filing a divorce, when Atul has denied giving her a divorce, it was then she took up the advice of her lawyers to file the other cases, which was kind of routine in nature, is what she says, because the parting couples who has issues and who had gone through a lot in their relationship, when they describe all these issues with the lawyers, they would suggest them these kind of sections can be added, and it can be it can be put up in court. So this had happened with Atul's wife, is what Atul's wife is telling the police. And like you said, 8 to 9 cases have been registered in various courts in Jaunpur against Atul, for which he had to travel around 120 times from Jaunpur, from Bengaluru to Jaunpur, and whenever he goes there, there will be change in dates of the hearing, or the judge would be on leave, or the periodicity of leave for which he had to attend the hearing would increase, and he had to take extra leave from work, and he had to put up at a hotel there near the court premises to attend the hearing next day. So all these kind of harassment that he had undergone is what he is coming forth, and he and his family members are alleging. But that there would be a comprehensive hearing on both the sides in this case, especially where it is an abetment to suicide case and the subsequent extortion charges, for which if there are evidence, then certainly these culprits or the accused who have been arrested would be convicted, Vineet.